Today I'm here making one amazing recipe which you can eat any time of the day. So today I'm making Kumaoni Dal Vada with urad dal. Yes, it is packed with flavors and something which can be a side dish, or you can also have it with your morning tea or evening tea. So let's get started. So we have taken this split urad dal which is with skin, but you can also take this without the skin, and we need to soak this for 4 to 6 hours. You can also do this overnight for better results. So now we are going to coarsely ground this dal. For this I have taken around 200 grams of dal. As you can see, this is called silbatta. And this is a very old way of coarsely grounding anything, but you can anytime use a mixer and a grinder. But please make sure not to make a paste out of it. It should be coarsely grounded to get the exact recipe right. As you can see, this is coarsely grounded now. This is how the consistency has to be. Please avoid putting any extra water. Now we are going to make a special masala which will be added to the dal paste to make our special Kumaoni Dal Vada. We will start with adding 2 to 3 green chilies. I am adding around 30 grams of ginger, and of course I'm going to add 30 grams of garlic. It's time to add some whole dry coriander seeds. I will add a little bit of jeera also. And now it's time to coarsely ground this. I wish you all can smell what I'm actually doing right now. My kitchen smells divine. And this is the magic behind making the Kumaoni Dal Vada. Oh my God, this is so divine. It's time to add this magic masala in our dal paste. Some salt, which is definitely according to the taste, a little bit of turmeric powder. Well, I know you all are waiting, of course, for the TheSherieTake. So here we are adding yogurt to this Kumaoni Dal Vada. By adding yogurt, the dal vadas will be soft and fluffy. I'm going to mix everything together now. How can I not add jhakia when I'm making food from Uttarakhand? Now it's time to fry the Kumaoni Dal Vada. But before that, we are going to rub some oil or ghee in our hands. Well, this is a tip which was given to me by my grandmom, and it really works. Do try it. Fry them till golden brown on medium heat. As you can see, they are crispy golden fried now. I'm going to remove them. See, they are perfectly cooked, and you can also see how fluffy they have become by adding yogurt into it. Wow! Well, being a Pahadi, I can actually wash off this entire bowl. Now I'm introducing you to something very interesting. Yes, this is called Pisyu Loon. It's a very interesting seasoning from Uttarakhand. And you know what? This is going to elevate this Kumaoni Dal Vada. So let's sprinkle some of it on this Dal Vada and then give it a good taste check. To complement Kumaoni Dal Vada, we are making a special Pahadi green chutney which you all are definitely going to love. So let's get started. As you can see, the skin is well roasted now. We are going to remove this from the gas stove. We are going to peel off the skin now. You must be wondering why I roasted the tomato. Well, the smoky tomato will elevate the green chutney and of course give that punch. We will slice the tomatoes and now few other ingredients to make the chutney. Some green chilies, some garlic. Do it with my hands. You can also find chopped coriander. I'm going to make a coarse chutney out of it. As you can see, our Pahadi green chutney is ready to go with Kumaoni Dal Vada. Our Kumaoni Dal Vada is finally ready to relish. Well, welcome monsoons with this amazing dish and of course a hot cup of adrak ki chai. And yes, please don't forget to let us know in comment section how you find this recipe. Well, this is Chef Sherie. You are watching Indian Food Diaries on Get Curried. Signing off for now.